Imagine a world where we can finally understand what our furry, feathered, and scaled friends are saying. Sounds like a Disney movie, right? But hold on to your hats, folks, because science is about to get real wild. Scientists are now using cutting-edge technology to try and crack the code of animal communication. Yep, you heard that right. We might be on the verge of having full-blown conversations with animals. For years, we've been trying to teach animals our language. We've trained dogs to understand commands, cats to somewhat obey our calls, and parrots to mimic our words. But what if we could understand language instead? What secrets would they reveal? It's a question that has fascinated scientists and animal lovers alike for centuries. Now, thanks to advancements in technology, we're closer than ever to making this a reality. From AI-powered dog collars that translate barks to sophisticated algorithms that decipher whale songs, the race is on to unlock the mysteries of animal communication. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a wild ride through the world of animal communication, exploring the latest breakthroughs, mind-boggling challenges, and the mind-blowing implications of a future where humans and animals can finally understand each other. Let's start with our furry best friends. Dogs. We all know dogs are pretty smart cookies. They learn our names, fetch our slippers, sometimes, and seem to understand our emotions better than some humans. But just how much they understand? Recent studies have shown that the average dog can understand up to 165 words. That's right, 165. That's more words than some toddlers use. They can learn commands, recognize their toys by name, and even seem to understand the difference between good boy and no bad dog. But it's not just about understanding words. Dogs communicate through a complex system of barks, whines, growls, and body language. And now, thanks to technology, we can finally start to decipher what all those wags, licks, and tail chases really mean. Enter the world of AI-powered dog collars. These nifty devices use sophisticated algorithms to analyze barks and other vocalizations, translating them into human language. Imagine a world where you can finally understand why your dog is barking at the mailman, the vacuum cleaner, or that squirrel in the backyard. But it's not just dogs that are getting in on the action. Scientists are also making strides in understanding the languages of other animals, from birds to bees to dolphins. And while we might not be having full-blown conversations with our feathered or finned friends just yet, we're getting closer every day. Take birds, for example. We all know birds are chatty creatures. They sing, they chirp, they squawk, and it turns out there's a lot more to their vocalizations than meets the eye, or ear. Scientists have discovered that birds use complex songs and calls to attract mates, defend their territories, and even warn each other about predators. Some species of birds even have different dialects, just like humans. And then there are bees, those busy little pollinators that are essential to our ecosystem. While they might not sing or chirp, bees communicate through a fascinating language of dance. That's right, dance! By performing intricate waggle dances, bees can tell their hive mates the exact location of food sources. So, how are scientists making sense of all these barks, chirps, and waggle dances? Enter the world of artificial intelligence. AI is revolutionizing countless fields, and animal communication is no exception. By harnessing the power of AI, scientists are developing sophisticated algorithms that can analyze vast amounts of animal communication data, uncovering patterns and insights that would be impossible for humans to detect on their own. One of the most exciting areas of research is in the realm of marine mammals, particularly dolphins. Dolphins are highly intelligent creatures with complex communication systems. They use a variety of clicks, whistles, and pulsed calls to communicate with each other, and scientists believe that these vocalizations convey a rich array of information about their environment, emotional state, and even individual identities. Imagine a world where we could communicate with dolphins, understanding their complex social structures, learning about their ocean environment, and even collaborating with them on research projects. It might sound like science fiction, but thanks to AI, it could soon become a reality. Section 5, Data Dilemmas and Ethical Puzzles. But before we get too carried away with dreams of interspecies conversations, it's important to acknowledge the challenges and ethical considerations that come with this groundbreaking research. One of the biggest challenges is the sheer volume of data required to train AI algorithms to accurately interpret animal communication. Just like humans, animals have regional dialects, individual quirks, and complex social cues that influence their communication. To truly understand what they're saying, we need massive data sets of vocalizations, behaviors, and environmental factors. And then there are the ethical considerations. As we get closer to understanding and communicating with animals, we need to be mindful of the potential impact on their well-being. Will our attempts to communicate be perceived as intrusive or disruptive to their natural behaviors? It's a complex issue with no easy answers, but one thing's for sure. As we venture further into the world of animal communication, we need to proceed with caution, respect, and a deep commitment to the welfare of our animal counterparts. Section 6. Decoding the deep whales, clicks, and whistles. Let's dive deeper, pun intended, into the fascinating world of whale communication. Whales are known for their haunting songs, which can travel for miles underwater. But did you know that different whale species have their own distinct dialects? Scientists believe that these songs play a crucial role in whale social behavior, helping them attract mates, navigate vast distances, and maintain social bonds. And now, thanks to AI, we're starting to decode the secrets hidden within these mesmerizing melodies. One groundbreaking project known as Project 𝐶ETI, or the Cetacean Translation Initiative, is using machine learning to analyze massive data sets of sperm whale clicks and whistles. By identifying patterns and correlations between these vocalizations and whale behavior, the project aims to create a comprehensive Rosetta Stone for whale communication. Section 7. Vet visits reinvented. Imagine a world where your veterinarian could understand exactly what your pet is trying to tell them. No more guessing games, no more misinterpretations, just clear, direct communication between animal patients and their human caregivers. It might sound too good to be true, but thanks to advancements in animal communication technology, this futuristic vision of veterinary care could soon become a reality. AI-powered devices could analyze an animal's vocalizations, body language, and even physiological signals like heart rate and respiratory rate to provide veterinarians with a comprehensive understanding of their patient's emotional state, pain levels, and overall well-being. This could revolutionize the way we diagnose and treat animals, leading to more accurate diagnoses, more effective treatments, and improved animal welfare. Section 8. Dolphins, the chatty Cathys of the sea. Dolphins are renowned for their intelligence and complex communication skills. They use a variety of whistles, clicks, and pulsed calls to communicate with each other, and scientists believe that these vocalizations convey a rich tapestry of information about their environment, emotional state, and even individual identities. One fascinating aspect of dolphin communication is their use of signature whistles. Just like humans have names, dolphins develop unique whistles that they use to identify themselves to others. Imagine a world where we could understand these signature whistles, identifying individual dolphins, tracking their movements, and learning about their social interactions. It would be like having a window into their underwater world. Section 9. A future of interspecies banter. So what does the future hold for animal communication? Will we one day be able to chat with our pets, negotiate treaties with dolphins, or even exchange pleasantries with extraterrestrial life forms? While we might not be having full-blown conversations with squirrels or debating philosophy with octopuses just yet, the possibilities are undeniably tantalizing. As technology continues to advance, who knows what incredible breakthroughs await us in the realm of interspecies communication? Perhaps one day we'll live in a world where humans and animals can communicate and coexist in unprecedented harmony. A world where we can learn from each other, understand each other's perspectives, and work together to create a more sustainable and compassionate future for all living beings. Until then, let's keep our ears open, our minds curious, and our hearts open to the infinite possibilities of communication in the animal kingdom.